I want to use pumpkin and make a soup for you. Pumpkin soup is really tasty. So we will see how we are going to make the pumpkin soup, because we are going to use a little prawns also and shrimps too, so that it will be really tasty and very nice. So we will go ahead with this pumpkin soup. To make the pumpkin soup, we need oil first to the pan. A little oil we have to use. What are we going to use now? Garlic, lemongrass, onions, and the red pepper. Thyme, a little thyme, dry herb I am using. It has to get nicely stir fried. Once it is stir fried, I am going to use shrimp paste. So I want to show you what is the shrimp paste. This is the shrimps, that is small prawns like shrimps you get. This I have taken, nicely washed and ground to a paste. This is very important for this. The shrimp paste. Add a little water and then you grind it to a paste. Now I am going to add the pumpkin. Pumpkin cut into pieces without the skin. Now I will add the stock. 2 cups of chicken stock we need. It has to get boiled well. Now I will add a little salt. Then a little turmeric and a little pepper. To make the pumpkin soup, we have to boil this pumpkin well till it becomes very soft. When the pumpkin is nicely boiled, we can see it has to get like mashed up like, and then I am going to use the prawns. The prawns, now only I am adding, because I should not add it very early, because if you add it too early, what happens is the prawns becomes too overcooked and it will be rubbery and won't be tasty also. Now I have to use a little milk. Coconut milk only I am going to use here. Now we could see the prawns are nicely cooked, and it takes only a minute to cook the prawns. Prawns are ready. Coconut milk we have added last, and I am sure it's going to be really nice and tasty because this is done. Now we could put a little yogurt on top and a sprig of parsley. When you serve this soup, we have to have a starter. I'll do a small starter also and show you. Starter, normally what they do is, they normally do a spring roll. Then the spring roll, if you can do other things, it will be nice, like an open sandwich or a cutlet or something. So I am going to do a cutlet for you so that it will be nice. Either fish cutlet or a meat cutlet. When you make those things, it will be really tasty. I am not going to do the cutlets, but you know how to make it. Onions, green chilies, curry leaves and garlic and all that you have to temper, cut into small pieces, temper. Then you add to the fish or the meat which is minced, and potatoes mashed, mix it all that together and nicely stir fry for a while, stir fry, and then you put a little cumin seed and a little lime juice, make into small balls. This is how you make it into small. Nicely mix it, just slightly you stir fry and you mix it nicely. And I have put potatoes. Potatoes are very important. Once we do all that, keep it like this and you shape it. See, the cutlet mixture, you shape it, this side rounded and this side pointed. And then what will you do? You dip in egg, breadcrumb and deep fry this. Another thing that we have to do is short crust pastry. That also I have showed you. Make the short crust pastry, roll it, cut with this cutter to get the neck. Can you see the neck? So what we will do is, once we fry this, put this on that. Okay. Potato cream we need. A little potato cream. Soup and the starter. So you can have both together and it's delicious. To start with soup and starter. When we make a course only, we need soup and the starter. Not for rice meal or a noodle meal or whatever, you don't use much. Like a course when you make, you need the soup. So you serve the soup and then you serve the starter, then you have the 3-course meal. So what you will do is make a nice tasty soup. We made the pumpkin soup. Prepare and see, and if there is anything that you want to ask, you can always call. And I will give you what you really need for it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you with another episode very soon. Thank you and bye bye.